Have you ever wondered what our universe is expanding into? Is there an edge, or are we inside something even stranger? Imagine, what if our entire universe is actually inside a black hole? A spinning one, to be precise. This idea, rooted in Einstein's math, suggests the Big Bang wasn't the start of everything, but the result of a collapsing star in another universe. Our cosmos could be like a Russian Matryoshka doll, nested within a larger reality. To grasp this, let's recall, a black hole forms when a massive star collapses, creating a region where gravity is so strong, not even light escapes. Most things in the universe spin, so black holes often spin too. These are called Kerr black holes. Unlike regular black holes, a Kerr black hole's singularity is a ring, not a point. This ring could, in theory, open a passage to something beyond, a new universe perhaps. The journey into a spinning black hole might not be a one-way trip to oblivion after all. What if our universe is the inside of such a cosmic structure? Let's explore how this mind-bending idea could work. A spinning Kerr black hole warps space-time, creating a region called the ergosphere, where space itself is dragged along. Deep inside, the ring singularity could act as a bridge, not to destruction, but to a white hole, where matter and light can only exit. Imagine, a massive star in a parent universe collapses, forming a Kerr black hole. Instead of ending, the matter rebounds from the ring, exploding outward as a new universe, our Big Bang. From outside, it's just a black hole. From inside, it's a universe. This black hole cosmology suggests our universe's expansion is the result of that initial rebound. The event horizon of the black hole becomes the boundary of our universe, a limit we can never cross. The observable universe is finite, because light from beyond the event horizon can never reach us. We're cosmic prisoners, forever inside this bubble of space-time. The parent universe is hidden, separated by a one-way door. Our universe's birth may be just one event in a vast multiverse. What clues does our universe hold about this origin? Is there evidence for this wild idea? The cosmic microwave background, or CMB, is a key clue. The CMB's uniform temperature has puzzled scientists. How did distant regions synchronize? Black hole cosmology offers an answer: matter mixed in the parent universe before collapsing. So our universe started off uniform. The Big Bang rebound naturally creates a hot, dense, smooth cosmos. No need for extra inflation. Our universe's accelerating expansion, driven by dark energy, could reflect the properties of the black hole's event horizon. The size and mass of our universe might match what we'd expect from a black hole of this scale. Some CMB data even hints at a cosmic axis, a subtle rotation, perhaps inherited from a spinning parent black hole. While not conclusive, these clues are tantalizing. Our universe may bear the fingerprints of its dramatic birth. What does this mean for the bigger picture? If true, this theory changes everything. We'd be living inside a black hole, our reality shaped by its boundaries. Every black hole in our universe could be a gateway to a new universe, a cosmic tree branching endlessly. Each time a star collapses, it might spark a new Big Bang inside, with its own galaxies and life. This is cosmic fecundity, universes begetting universes, each with unique physical laws. Our universe's life-friendly constants might simply be the result of this natural selection. The multiverse could be infinite, with no single beginning, just an eternal chain of creation. The Big Bang isn't unique, but one of countless cosmic births. We are a fleeting bubble in an endless sea of universes. The cycle of creation may never end. What does this mean for us? This theory humbles us. Our universe may be just one grain in an infinite desert, yet it's also inspiring. We're part of a cosmic lineage, children of stars, grandchildren of a parent universe. The laws of physics allow for such wonders, even if we can't prove them from inside our cosmic bubble. The search for answers leads to ever deeper mysteries. We may never know for sure if we live inside a black hole, but asking the question expands our perspective. It connects us to a grand, ongoing process of creation. Our curiosity is part of the universe's story. Every black hole could be a new universe in the making. The cosmos is more creative and strange than we ever imagined. And somewhere, right now, new worlds may be born in the darkness above.